appliances natin. Alright, so now ready? Let's give it up for contestant. Contestant. One, two, Alright, so now let's give it up for go. Take the clock. Si Mami, go. So, saan ka dyan? Number 3! Ayan, disqualified. Ayan, ano pa kayo naman po si Kagawad? Ayan, grabe. Ayan, para ng kandidato lang. Ayan, alright, sa mga punta po dito sa gitna. Okay, so ngayon po is malalaman natin kung sino yung panalo. Okay? Alright, so now okay, para walang bias, magbibilang tayo. Alright, so now, let's go up for contestant number 1. Disqualified na unggoy. 1! Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Ayan, ang dami ka mag-alak ha. Ayan. Alright, so now, let's go. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22. Ayan, ang dami estudyante ng teacher ha. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 108. Alright, so last but not the least, let's give it up for contestant number 4. Ayan, sana walang sponsor. Alright, very sign. Dahil kayo lahat magagaling, so wala pong talo sa inyo lahat yung panalo. Alright, so palapakan naman natin sila. Okay, so dahil dyan, meron kayo prizes, better prize, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Ayan, so thank you so much mga ma'am. Ayan, alright, so now, okay, sino pang walang prize?